Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something I honestly didn't expect to see, the Acura RSX EV. Yup, Acura is bringing back the legendary RSX nameplate, but this time, fully electric. So let's break down what this car is, why it matters, and whether Acura actually did the RSX legacy justice in the EV era. The original RSX was a cult classic, lightweight, fun, tuner-friendly, and incredibly reliable. It wasn't just a car, it was a whole vibe. So when the RSX name returned, fans were both hyped and nervous. But Acura isn't just recycling nostalgia, they're trying to reinvent the RSX for a generation that grew up with EVs. Let's start with the design. Acura went for a clean, futuristic look, but with enough sporty character that it doesn't feel like just another EV. We've got sharp LED DRLs, a sculpted front fascia, and a low, coupe-like roofline that instantly gives RSX vibes. The proportions are tight, aggressive, and surprisingly compact for an electric car. Honestly, it looks like a proper successor, modern yet familiar. Now the part you're probably here for, performance. Acura claims the RSX EV delivers around, insert fictional spec, e.g. 320 horsepower, pushed through a dual-motor AWD setup. Instant torque? Check. Sport-tuned suspension? Check. A proper EV hot hatch feel? Definitely check. It's not trying to be a Tesla killer. It's trying to be fun. And that's exactly what a modern RSX should be. Inside, the RSX EV gets a clean and minimalistic cabin. Acura learned from Honda's recent interior philosophy, no clutter, just purposeful design. Digital dash, floating infotainment screen, Alcantara touches, and sporty bucket seats. It feels premium without trying too hard. And yes, it still has that driver-focused cockpit feel the old RSX was known for. You're looking at an estimated, fictional spec, 280 to 300 miles, of range on a single charge. Nothing groundbreaking, but more than enough for daily use and weekend drives. Fast charging brings it from 10% to 80% in around, fictional spec, 25 to 30 minutes, which puts it on par with other modern EVs. So, is the Acura RSX EV worth the hype? Honestly, yeah. Acura didn't just slap the RSX badge on an EV and call it a day. They actually put in effort to capture the spirit of the original while pushing it into the future. Is it perfect? We'll have to wait for real-world reviews. But is it exciting? Absolutely. Alright guys, that's it for today's breakdown of the Acura RSX EV. Let me know in the comments, does this live up to the RSX name for you? Or should Acura have left the legend alone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.